I have here a new product by Ainu, the Cougar P63 power bank. This thing is touted as the world's smallest 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. What's cool about it is with two USB-C ports and one USB-A, this thing is a monster that's packed into a very small size. Shout out to Ainu for sending me this product to review, but this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, so I'm able to express my opinions freely and let you know what I think about it. Let's dive in. I'll show you the unboxing and we'll demonstrate it and talk about some of the specifications. Here we go. All right, let's dive into this Ainu Cougar P63. One thing I'm noticing right away on the box is that 3-year warranty, which is great. Even though these are really highly rated products already, it just gives you a little bit more peace of mind that if something goes wrong, you can maybe get it fixed or replaced. So here's what's in the box. We got the power bank itself in a little pouch here. Let me get that out. My first impression, not only does it feel great in the hand, but obviously it is really small. It's a little heavy, but to be honest, I don't have the biggest hands in the world, and this thing is, I mean, you can see the size right there. Comes with a 51% charge, as you can see, but we'll get that thing charged up. Here are the USB ports. We got one regular USB or USB-A, and then we have the two USB-C ports. Again, this feels really great. High quality materials, kind of a plastic with a bit of a rubbery grip feel to it. Also comes with a USB-C to USB-C charging cable right here. I have a lot of those already, but I'll probably use that for actually charging the power bank. And then a case, may not use that, but it's nice to have. There it is. I mean, that's pretty straightforward what you get. So one thing I was really excited to see is the size comparison to other power banks. I love using the MagSafe chargers like this one from Anker, and as you can see, the Ainu charger is about as tall, a little thicker, a little wider, but it's just about as tall. Let's see about the weight. So the Anker weighs 8 3/4 ounces, while the Ainu charger is 13, almost 14 ounces. So there is a considerable difference there in the weight of the two. I also want to dive into some of the specifications here. You can see one of the things that is great about this is how many different devices this will actually charge. iPhones, the latest Samsung models, MacBooks, iPads. Basically, it's going to charge everything from your earbuds all the way up to your laptops and even cameras, which is great. You can see here it comes in a variety of different colors, and again, the capacity on this is 25,000 milliamp hours. That means you're basically going to be able to charge your MacBook a few times. You're going to be able to charge an iPhone or, again, the latest model of Android like Samsung phones several times. And obviously what's really great about this is you can charge multiple devices at once. You could plug in to the USB-A, you could plug into the USB-C. You could obviously have up to 3 devices charging at once. And I'm excited to get into how that works and actually look at charging 3 devices at one time. So let's go ahead and test that out. Here I have the Ainu power bank. For now, I'm just going to plug in to the 100-watt port, which is the in and out. So that's where you charge the power bank itself, and that's also where you will run the USB-C out to a device of your choice. I'm going to choose to power up the MacBook. Now the MacBook I have has both USB-C charging as well as the MagSafe charging port, but in this case, just to test out, the Ainu power bank will run USB-C. We'll also go out of the other USB-C port into an iPad, and for my third device, we'll just for demonstration purposes, go out of the USB-A, into my iPhone 15 Pro. A little bit hard to hook this up with one hand, but we'll get it. All right, there we go. And you can see the iPhone and the iPad both lit up. So everything is charging now. We got, again, a MacBook, an iPad, and an iPhone 15 Pro. You can tell that the power bank is charging with the little lightning icon, as well as the overall battery percentage going down. There you have the split of the 3 charging ports, one USB-A, and 2 USB-Cs. And that's what it looks like when you got 3 devices all connected to the same power bank. All right, as you can see, the Ainu Cougar P63 is a really powerful power bank built in to a very small form factor. Instead of really giving my final thoughts, what I'd love to do now is just discuss when I might use this and when I won't use this. Again, Ainu sent this to me to try, but I'm definitely going to keep it and I will use it. The times when I will use this power bank are times when I'm on the go and probably times when I'm needing to charge multiple devices at once. Because I like, as I mentioned before, to use the MagSafe chargers or power banks that I have for my iPhone, I probably wouldn't use this powerful a power bank on my iPhone when I have those MagSafe chargers on hand. But for sure, if I'm traveling or if I am going to workshops and conferences like I do sometimes and I'm not really by an outlet, I definitely see myself using this when it comes to charging my iPhone, my MacBook, or any other devices like my camera when maybe I'm needing to do all of those things at once. Times when I probably wouldn't use this, again, like I said, if I'm out and about and I'm just needing to charge my iPhone, I probably wouldn't opt for the Ainu charger simply because of the weight and the fact that I would have to plug the USB-C into the power bank and then into my iPhone, whereas the MagSafe chargers that I like just magnet right on to the phone itself, no wires necessary. But anyway, my final thoughts are, I really do like this. I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna use it, especially when I'm out and about and needing to charge multiple devices at once or needing to charge devices that require more power like my MacBook. I hope this video helped inform you about this power bank and maybe whether or not you want to purchase it for yourself. If you do, links are in the description below. Also, if you'd like to leave comments about any questions, comments, or concerns you have regarding the Ainu power bank, please feel free. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, you might also like the one that I've shared here. Otherwise, I hope you will have subscribed to the channel if you're not already, and we'll catch you in the next video.